What's the difference between the Shadforth stake light and the Eden Nest light? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Eden Solar Nest light. Let's get into it. The Eden Solar Nest Light has a 22cm diameter and 50 LED lights. This wire ball has a 3-meter cable between the light and the solar panel, and it's extremely lightweight. Let's have a look inside the box. Inside the box we have the instructions, the remote, the solar panel, the wall mount and screws, the stake, and of course the light. Similarly to the Shadforth solar light, you can either stake this light or hang this light. Both the Eden and the Shadforth both have very similar designs, but there's one really big difference, and that's the fact that the Eden Nest light comes with a remote control. The remote control offers 8 different lighting modes, whereas the Shadforth only offers 2. The lighting modes include combination, twinkle, sequential, pulsing, flash, slow glow, chasing and flash, and static. To install these lights, you'll need to attach the solar panel to the light. You will need to decide whether you want to wall mount your light or stake your light into soft ground. You will need to attach the suitable parts for your installation preferences. It's absolutely essential that you put this light in a sunny spot so it can charge itself throughout the day and be ready for the night. You can easily hang this light by wrapping the 3-meter wire on trees or pergolas, and you can adjust the height by rearranging the wires as you please. The Eden Nest light is incredibly strong, durable, and water resistant, so there's no need to worry about your lights getting damaged once they're installed correctly. These lights are USB-C compatible. You can find the port on the back of the solar panel for added reassurance. At dusk, the sensor will turn on automatically and you'll get around 10 hours of runtime on a full charge. If you have any questions about this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.